In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete account in Miro app. Before you begin, it is important to know what happens when you delete your Miro account. This action permanently removes your personal profile and any boards that you own. Once the deletion is confirmed, it cannot be undone. For that reason, take a moment to make sure you have saved any important content or transferred ownership of any boards you want to keep. To complete the deletion process, you will need to use a web browser. This is important because the final confirmation is handled through an email verification step, and it is easiest to complete that flow in a browser while you are signed in. Start by opening your browser and going to the Miro dashboard where you can see your boards. You should be on the main area that shows your workspace and recent boards. If you have more than one team or workspace, make sure you are in the correct one before continuing, since account settings are tied to your profile. Next, look to the top area of the page for your user icon. This is usually your profile picture or a circle with your initials. Click that user icon to open the account menu. From that menu, select Profile. This takes you into your profile settings area, where you can manage details connected to your account. Once you are inside the profile settings, continue to the section where account actions are available. Look for the option labeled Delete My Profile. When you click Delete My Profile, Miro will ask you to confirm that you really want to delete the account. Read any on-screen messages carefully, since they explain what will be removed. After you submit the deletion request, Miro will send a confirmation email to the email address linked to your account. Open that email and follow the confirmation link or button inside it. This final confirmation is required to complete the deletion, and the account will not be removed until you confirm through that message. After you confirm, your Miro account deletion will be processed, and your personal account and own boards will be permanently removed. That covers everything you need to know.